Hello everyone. Before having the details of statistics, it is very important to understand its meaning because it enables us to make decisions. It enables us to have critical thinking. It aids in assessing risks, managing uncertainty, and it supports evidence-based practices. It enables us to evaluate information. With this background, let us understand what exactly does statistics mean. Hello everyone. Welcome to our Eco Studies channel. I am Poonam Vora, your instructor from Egypt, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are introducing series for our subjects to give you an insight of our offered courses on our website that will help you prepare for CBSE and CUET examinations. But before we jump into the concepts, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you never miss out on any of my free valuable videos. And if you like the content, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Now let's get started. Statistics has been defined differently by different writers from time to time. It is defined in the plural sense that statistics is a collection of numerical facts. In a singular sense, statistics is explained as method of dealing with information. So in plural sense, it is all about statistical data. In the singular sense, it is all about statistical methods. Now let's understand statistics in plural sense. Here, statistics is considered as a numerical description of the quantitative aspect of things. So it refers to an aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by the multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predefined purpose, and placed in relation to each other. Now let's understand in detail. Beginning with, statistics is an aggregate of facts. Any individual, single or unconnected figures are not considered as statistics because they cannot be studied about each other. It is only those facts which are capable of being studied about time, place or frequency can be called statistics. For example, data relating to the IQ of a group of students or academic achievement of students would be considered as statistics. But a single data like marks by Sunil in maths is 60 is not statistics because it is not comparable to the group. Next, statistics is affected to a marked extent by the multiplicity of causes. This can be understood with the help of an example. Now, changes are affected by a combined effect of many factors. For example, the production of textiles. It is affected by the availability of yarn, the availability of labor, machinery, and so many other such factors. It is not possible to study each factor in isolation to draw a conclusion relating to the total production of textiles. Similarly, deterioration of achievement scores in the academic sphere of some students may not be only due to lack of interest in school subjects. There may be other factors like lack of motivation, maybe ineffective teaching methods, maybe attitude of the students on school subjects, maybe faulty scoring procedures and so on. So one cannot study the effect of a particular cause on a phenomenon. One needs to understand the combined effect of multiple causes. Now, statistics are
numerically expressed. That is, it is a quantitative phenomenon. Any qualitative phenomena cannot be numerically expressed. For example, honesty, goodness, ability. If we say Anil is shorter than Sunil, it is not considered as statistics. But once a numerical expression is assigned to it, like Anil is 160 centimeters and Sunil is 170 centimeters, then it is considered as statistics. Further, statistics is enumerated according to a reasonable standard of accuracy. One must understand that the standard of estimation and accuracy differs from inquiry to inquiry or from purpose to purpose. There cannot be one standard of uniformity for all types of inquiries and all purposes. A single student cannot be ignored while calculating IQ of 100 students in a group, whereas 10 soldiers can be easily ignored while finding the IQ of soldiers of the whole country. Similarly, we can ignore 10 deaths in a country, but we cannot ignore even a single death in a family. So the amount of time and resources at disposal also determine the amount of accuracy in estimates. Further, statistics is collected in a systematic manner for a predefined purpose. The investigator must have a purpose beforehand and then should start the work of data collection. Data collected without any purpose is of no use. Suppose we want to know the intelligence of a section of people. We must not collect data relating to income, attitude, and interest. So without having a clear idea about the purpose, we will not be in a position to distinguish between necessary data and unnecessary data, or relevant data and irrelevant data. Last, statistics are always placed in relation to each other. Statistics is a method for comparison and must be capable of being compared. Otherwise, it will lose much of its value and significance. So comparison can be made only if the data are homogeneous. Data on memory test can be compared with IQ, not with the salary status of parents. It is with the use of comparison that we can depict changes that may relate to time, place, frequency, or any other character. And statistical devices are used for this purpose. So one has to consider all these aspects to be considered a set of data as statistics. Statistics is also defined in a singular sense. It means it is all about statistical methods. The first step for analysis and interpretation is to have data collection. So data must be collected by the investigator from either a reliable published or unpublished sources. Data so collected then needs to be organized by editing, by classifying, and by tabulating. Once it is collected and organized, then it has to be presented in some systematic manner to make the statistical analysis easier. So it can be presented either through tables or graphs or diagrams. Then it is analyzed by finding averages, by finding dispersion, by finding correlation, and so on. Finally, data gets interpreted by concluding based on analyzed data. So, statistics hence refers to methods relating to the collection, classification, presentation, analysis, and interpretation of quantitative data. I hope you have understood the meaning of statistics in plural sense as well as in singular sense. Next time, we shall discuss the scope of statistics. Till then, keep reading and keep learning. Thank you. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses
to master economics and get a higher score in CBSE and CUET examination. With our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the courses for just rupees 999. So, seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires. Like, share and subscribe to Eco Studies channel. Also, drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.